$1 million right now, so we could focus on exploding Denmark.
I would choose the one that you get every single month.
If I would get $1 million, I think I would go mad.
I also think take 5,000 because I think if you have like 1 million, like this quick, you're gonna take it on close like on the first day. But if you like have not so much, you're gonna save it to like something big.
I think before, when I was younger, I would choose money every month, because that would be like my salary and I wouldn't have to think about it as much. But maybe now I would choose the money directly, so I could invest it and it can grow even more, and that seems like the smarter option, I think.
Personally, I think 5,000 a month is better because you budget properly as well and all that kind of stuff. Whereas though, if you get all the money like in an instant, you spend it all directly after. So
I'm gonna have to say $1 million. Compounding interest, put it in the stock market, 8% return per year. That's a lot of money.
$1 million right now, so we could focus on exploding Denmark and exploiting the Danish people for work, for a cheap workforce here in Sweden, and so we could explode Denmark. So I would take the money and go towards exploiting the Danish people.
Monthly money, because $5,000 in a month, it's good salary. I think I would choose that one.
I would choose the one that you get every single month, because it's a nice extra income from what you're doing, and it's nice to have that extra and be able to share with friends and keep that going for the rest of your life.
I would choose $5,000 every month for the rest of my life, because in the long run you're gonna get more money out of it and you become more free in what you want to do with your life, and I think that would be really great to have that.
I would choose 5,000 every month, because I think it's a more healthy way to like receive money. I think it's makes you less prone to spend it all at the same time.
5,000 a month, because if I would get $1 million, I think I would go mad, because I would do some stupid stuff with it. But 5,000 a month, then you can just buy nice things every month.
Yeah, I would choose $5,000. Was it dollars? Yeah, because I think $1 million is an unreasonable amount of money to have at one time. 5,000 is more reasonable amount of money to live on.
I think I wouldn't go with the $5,000 per month, since if I get $1 million, I would probably just spend it. So yeah, that's why.
Yeah, so I think I would choose 1 million, because it would take me 20 years roughly to get to 1 million, and if I get 1 million I can invest it and it could grow more than 5,000 per month. So I would choose 1 million.
I would probably take the 1 mil right now, since I assume that will add up to more. It will, I don't care to do the math really, and since I got fantastic parents, I would ask them to take some of the money and store it away from me, because I'm only 23.
Because I could die tomorrow, so I wouldn't want to have 1 million and spend it all over the place.
If you get 1 million, I think you spend it faster, and if you get new money all the time, you have more.